Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Drive for freelance projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Google Drive dashboard. To create a new folder for your freelance project, click on the New button located on the left side. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. Name your folder appropriately, such as Freelance Project, Client Name. Now, open your newly created folder by double-clicking on it. To upload files, click on the New button again and select File Upload. Browse your computer for the files related to your project and click Open. You can also upload entire folders by selecting Folder Upload from the drop-down menu. Once your files are uploaded, you'll see them appear in your folder. To organize your files further, you can create subfolders by clicking New and selecting Folder. Name your subfolder according to the content it will hold. To share your project files with clients or collaborators, right-click on the file or folder you want to share. Select Share from the context menu that appears. In the sharing settings, you can enter the email addresses of those you want to invite. You can adjust the permissions to either viewer, commenter, or editor depending on the level of access you want to give. After setting permissions, click on Send to share the files. You can also get a shareable link by clicking on Copy Link and adjusting the same permissions. Paste the link into your email or message to share it with clients or team members. To collaborate in real time, open a document or sheet and invite others to edit together. Use the comment feature to leave feedback or ask questions on specific parts of the document. Make sure to regularly check the shared folder for updates or new contributions from collaborators. If you need to access your files on the go, consider downloading the Google Drive app on your mobile device. The app allows you to view, edit, and share your files directly from your smartphone or tablet. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection when working in Google Drive to avoid any disruptions. By organizing your freelance projects efficiently in Google Drive, you enhance productivity and ease of collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.